Here we go, A-Team. I know it's been a minute. Boy, during the economy, how does one stay afloat? Put your trust in the Almighty God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. So here we are out in Sunridge, and this started off as an issue. And I meant to shout out our client here. This is our client from back in 2022, almost 4 years ago. So you see us here. They started out initially to be a gutter clean, to get the gutters clean, as well as doing the gutters in that patio you seen a short moment ago. There we're looking in the gutters there. This is our initial inspection. We're always very transparent. We're your eyes and ears if we ever come out to do cleaning services for you. But you see there is moss on the lips of the roof. And so it actually turned out to be a bigger job here when we end up doing a roof cleaning. So this is part one of this video. Be sure to tune in for part two. We'll be showing you the moss removal and the soft washing. So there's the before photos of all the gutters there. After we got everything out, look at that, downspouts were clogged. 17-year-old home. Okay, gutters haven't been cleaned. They say out of sight, out of mind. So now you see us right there scooping the debris out of the gutters. Right? What's the weather like out here? Northern California. Oh, it's a warm one. We started at 9 in the morning. Yeah, we were done about 12:30, all packed up by 1. Hey, special delivery. We come bearing gifts. You drop it like it's hot. That's the mic drop right there. Alright, so that's what came out of there. We got, in totality, I should mention, we had about 251 linear feet of gutters. We come back with the rinse, the supreme clean. You know, we don't leave any stone unturned. We get under all the nooks and crannies and we get to her. So now we're rinsing out those gutters, making sure the downspouts are flowing clean. We'll be back with the after photo. So now we're in the back side right there. And again, we want to make sure that we're getting everything zestfully clean, as they would say. Now we're coming back down here, rinsing out in the back right there. And there's that patio cover right there. Rinsing that out as well. Now you see us, we made our way all the way around the premises. Like I said, 254, I just remember, 254 linear feet in totality. Right? So here we are again from the very front. Rinsing everything down. Then, I mean, it went off textbook. I mean, that's what we expect every single time. I should also mention that we did some handy service and patching up towels while we're up there. There's that afterflow. Look how clean that is now. Voila. Clean. Sparkling. The supreme clean. Remember all the debris that was in there? Showing you again in the downspouts. Zoomed all the way in there. All the debris and sediment cleared out. That's how it should be. Those after photos there. I probably could have sped this up, but hey, go ahead and ride out right here and pay some bills here in just a second. If you're in the Sacramento region, you're looking for exterior cleaning services, reach out to allterraine.com.